Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Actually, there is one more topic which I just added. So the syllabus, which is actually handling exception in JSP.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so
Um,
yeah,
okay. Hold on.
yeah, yeah.
Before you start, I have a question.
Yeah.
I thought about now. I remember. I want to ask you because otherwise I forget. You know
Okay.
how we talk about redirect to another page.
Yes.
Uh, there are two ways to do it. One is called the
Yeah.
respond dot redirect or something
Yeah.
like that, right?
Request dispatcher.
Respond,
Yeah.
yeah, respond dot redirect, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Or request dot redirect. I forgot which one is
Okay.
redirect.
Okay. Okay.
Another way is to do request dot get
Yeah.
dispatcher
Yeah.
forward, yeah, forward and then something request something like this.
Yeah.
Um, so um, why did you have a oh so after that what happened it's just gonna execute whatever the statement after that at all or that thread is gone go to another page and that's it.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I understood.
Does it return and then execute the statement after that, or just go to that page and then that's it, that's end over
It
there?
it will execute the remaining statement also. Okay, let me explain the
So
flow.
right, you know what my question, right?
Yeah, yeah, I got it. Yeah.
So
Yeah, suppose take this login servlet.
right, yeah, right there. You there's a
Yeah,
somewhere that send redirect. Yeah.
yeah. So suppose just take like uh, I'm doing
Somewhere when you
something
say
here. Yeah,
right.
response dot maybe get request
Yes,
dispatcher
dispatcher. Yeah.
and some path, and then if I'm doing
Uh,
forward.
all right. Forward.
So
Okay.
basically, what happens in this
Right.
place?
After that.
Yeah.
Right.
So suppose if here it is going to index servlet.
Right. Another page. Right.
Yeah. So suppose if it is going like this, so what will happen?
Right.
The request will be forwarded to index server.java. Then
Right.
whatever was there here will be shown in the
Uh,
UI. So that is perfect. But what will happen after it redirect and displays everything? It will
uh,
come back to this line and it will start
uh.
executing. Then it will finish here.
Oh, so
That
it
is the
still
flow.
come back. It still
Yeah.
return and come back. Huh?
Yeah. First it
So
will forward
so
and then it will come back. Yeah.
yeah. So internally, does that mean when it go forward to the index.servlet,
Yeah.
that will be another thread start?
No, basically, we need to handle this situation. Whenever you are forwarding, there should be a line written here. Return true, basically only written because it's a void. Okay, so
Uh,
what you need to do return, or otherwise you
uh,
need to have some if else condition. Only in case
uh,
of if, you need to
uh,
forward and then just
uh,
return it. In case of else, you
uh,
need to do the remaining coding.
okay.
So
Oh,
it's
okay.
our
Okay.
responsibility to handle it. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. So
So that it won't.
normally,
Yeah.
okay. But let's say you don't have the return and you don't have anything follow, then that's okay, right?
Yeah,
It's
that's
just
okay. Yeah.
yeah.
So
But let's
basically,
say
yeah. Go on.
but uh, but normally after you forward it, you don't want to do anything after that, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Let's I'm talking about inside of the if block. If
yeah,
you want to do something else, it doesn't make any sense anymore, right?
yeah, yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So
So you,
but when you go to the index servlet, does
yeah,
that mean it will go on another thread, or still the same thread that executing?
mm,
You know
thread.
what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So it will be different thread
Different
because
thread.
like
Okay.
yeah, because it is going to different servlet object. So it should be a
Okay.
different thread.
Yeah, different thread. That's right. That's right.
Yeah,
But then, yeah. But it would return, right? You
yeah, it would
forward, then
return.
it return.
Yeah.
Return. Okay.
Even suppose if you don't have anything here, this else also is
Uh,
not there. It's still
uh,
return and just come back and visit. Then it close it.
uh. Okay. Okay. So it does return,
Yeah.
not just go over there. And, okay. That answer. Okay. I think I saw that in one of the question or something. I tried to one
Uh,
time I read the
okay.
question in the exam somewhere. It said what happened? Is this gonna go back, return, and something? I said, oh, that's
Yeah.
interesting.
Okay.
Yeah, good. Sorry. Thank you. Yeah. So
Sure. No problem.
yeah. So it's the same as the other one, right? So
Yeah.
this one is get dispatcher for the other redirect. It's the same thing. It
Yeah.
will
Same thing.
return.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Thank you. Yeah.
Because we will end up with one issue which is like this error code 500, and the message will be
Mm-hmm.
like what can we say, illegal state exception. So if
Mm-hmm.
okay, I'll just write it here. So it will be like this one you will get in the UI 500,
Mm-hmm.
illegal state exception. So this
Mm-hmm.
one you will get when you're doing like both forward and also writing in the content. Suppose if you take this JSP, just take it
Mm-hmm.
like this. Suppose this is how my code is, then you will get this
Mm-hmm.
error in the UI because you are forwarding and also you are writing in the response. So we'll get the
Oh,
error
forward
illegal
and
state
writing.
exception, and inside that it
Yeah.
will give the explanation like you are trying to like the response is already committed.
Mm.
So what you are doing, you are already committed the response to the forward, and still you are trying
Mm.
to write something to the UI. So we'll get the error
Okay.
saying that response is already committed and 500 illegal
Mm.
state exception.
Okay.
So
Okay.
whenever you are
Got it.
facing this issue, then you need to figure out where you are doing the forward, and
Mm.
during that forward, is there any way that after forward is there any code that is executing? So that's the way to
Okay.
figure out this issue.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I just remember that. I said maybe I'll ask you right away what to get.
Okay.
So today you talk about the exceptions stuff. Yeah.
Yeah. Before that. Okay. Okay. Just take like this. So what we are going to try today is we are going to try this divide number by zero.
What is that?
So
Number zero.
whenever we have two numbers and in Java,
Uh.
just simple Java, so we are going
Right.
to do the divide operation. So
Right.
whenever we are divide like 10 divided by 0, we'll get an
Right.
exception which is
Oh, I see. Okay. Right.
arithmetic exception we'll get, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course. You
So
divide by
that,
zero. You have.
yeah. So that is what we are going to try in the JSP. So here
Okay.
there is no need like you need to put try catch and all. It
Uh.
internally it takes. So we'll just go with the flow and we'll see how
Okay.
it works.
Okay.
Close all. Okay, I think I need to remove these jar files. Uh, it's not removing. Okay, let's leave that one. So here I'm going to create the first page, it is index.jsp, Maybe we'll just change this index.html. So here now it will go to process.jsp from here, and then we'll just have okay, I think we'll just create one more thing. Create on index.jsp. Okay, then we need one more which is process.jsp. And there is one more thing which is error.jsp. Okay, so in the error.jsp we'll just put the message what we need to display. That's it. So basically you need to add a page directive which
Mm-hmm.
says that it's a error page. So I think for now I'll just remove.
It's error page. Is that a keyword or something?
Yeah, this is attribute name.
Attribute name. Okay.
Yeah, for now I'll just remove these things so that don't confuse. Ah, okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me just type it out. Basically, whenever I'm copy pasting, it's having some issue. Still has exception cannot be resolved to a variable. Yes, that's correct. Hmm. Okay, let's just go with the flow. Index.jsp. Uh, okay, so basically this is the first file which will be opened. From here we are going to the process.jsp.
Mm-hmm.
So in the process.jsp now we're just going to get the number and divide it.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just getting the number one and number two. I'm
Yeah.
assigning to variables and then I'm dividing it. So division number is this one. And here
Mm.
we need to say the which is the error page so that it will go to the particular error page. But
Mm.
here we are getting the error, but still we'll see. Okay, let's see. So now we need to change in the web.xml. The first file will be index.jsp. So now I'll just run this one.
It doesn't start.
Basically, it got hacked. Okay, I'll just send you this program. So you just do it
Yeah.
on your machine. So meanwhile, I'll
Yeah.
restart the Eclipse.
Yeah.
Okay, is it possible to get you to get in chat? I'll just send in chat. Just see whether it's
Mm.
possible to get.
Yeah. Send it to me.
Richard,
Yeah.
actually, I'm still facing the issue, so I'll restart my machine. So I'll join the meeting again.
Say that again. What's
I'm
that?
going to restart my machine once.
Uh,
Okay, so it will disconnect me from the meeting. So once it's
uh,
restarted, I will join the meeting again.
okay. What? So what do you want me to try to connect again?
I think if you get disconnected, then please try to connect again.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Well, give you a few minutes, right? You're gonna reboot, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'll try to reconnect in what 4 or 5 minutes, maybe.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, actually, you can try
Okay,
to reconnect as soon as it disconnected, so that it will
okay,
be stay for me to connect. So once I connect it, it will automatically get connected.
okay. All right. So if it disconnect, I'll reconnect again. Okay.
Yeah,
If I have a problem, I'll send you an email if
yeah,
I
sure.
have a
Yeah,
problem.
yeah.
Okay. Okay.